Hey everyone, how are you doing today? So today I would like to show us how we can convert our blogs into a mobile app. This conversion is not just done on blogs or for blogs, you can also use it on your website. You have a website that you want to convert into a mobile app, you can use this method. So you first of all launch your browser, any of your browsers. It could be your Google Chrome, it could be your Firefox, Mozilla, whatever app you want to, whatever browser you want to use, you just launch it. Then you type this URL, apps, Geyser, appsgeyser.com. I will be sharing this with us as well. So once you type that, you launch it, then this is where it brings you to. It brings you here. It brings me here because I'm already logged in. If you're not logged in, by the top right here, after dashboard, the next thing you will see is log in. So you click on it. When you click on it to log in, it will prompt you to either log in with your Facebook account or with your Google account, or you create an account on this URL. So, but like I had explained in one of our previous classes, I prefer to use an existing account, maybe Google or Facebook, so I don't have to battle with remembering a lot of credentials, username and password. So like here now, I'm currently logged on my Google account, one of my Google accounts. So once you're here, you see create app for free, you click on it. Now you can see various options you have here. Is it a business app or an individual app? So I'm leaving it as a business app. Now you can see the other options here: website, business website, affiliate or referral link, YouTube, Facebook page, blog page, blah blah. Now it's a blog we did, and it's a blog we are trying to convert into a mobile app. If you were a website, you just click on business website. It's the same process. So I click on blog. It's opening. Okay, yeah, it's open right now. Then I click next. You can see the options that we're having here. Is it a WordPress blog? Is it a Blogger blog, Tumblr blog, Pinterest feed, direct RSS link, and all that? So I'm going to be picking one of the blogs that we used in our class. One of us did a blog, or two of us created our blog. So I'm going to be picking on one of them. What we're supposed to have shared with us is just your name. Like you can see mine here, what I shared with us, adm2020test.blogspot.com. That's just what I would have wanted. But we went to copy the whole entire URL. Not a problem. I'm going to copy it. So this was the first one. I've copied it already. Once you long press, you can see link copied. So I go back to the creation of the mobile app. Then it's not a WordPress blog. If you remember when I was explaining this blogging, I made us understand that there are various platforms we could use to create a blog. But the one we used for our demonstration in the class was a Blogger blog. So I click on Blogger blog, and then the URL, you can see enter blog URL. I paste. This is the URL. I'm going to be removing all these other extensions. I'll just stop at blog here. So the title, I can title it let me start with a capital letter, The Northern Girl Project. Right, so we have it there. Now you can see it's also asking me to type select blog type. So I'm going to be deleting all those other ones. I delete this. I also delete this. So I'm left with I also delete this. So I'm left with just one, which is the one I've filled already, the Northern Nigerian Girl as my blog title, and then I've typed the URL. So next I click on next. Yeah, so it's asking me for the app name. What name do I want this app to be? So I'll still use the Northern Nigerian, the Northern Girl Project. The Northern Girl Project. Next. Now it's asking me for icon. You can see there's an option for a default icon, which is what you see here. Then you can also decide to customize it. Now if I'm customizing it, that means I already have an image I want my icon to look like, but I don't have. So what I'll do, I'll quickly go to my browser. I'll open another link, another page, and just type that that blog URL, so I can pick this image. Yeah, I can long press to download image. It's downloading. You can see it's not downloading. It should be in my gallery right now. So I come back to my app that I'm trying to create here. So instead of using this default one, I click custom icon, then I click upload. I select the image I just downloaded. I mistakenly clicked it twice, that's why you see two of the pictures there. Then I click on crop. You can see my icon. This is what my app will look like. Anytime I want to share it with anybody, this is what I will screenshot and tell them, if it's not this screenshot, then it's not my Nottingham project app. So next, I click on next. You can see I click on create. It's loading. Yeah, up my screen here you can see the icon I just put. You can see the Nottingham, it was cut off, it's not complete, and you can see an arrow, a downward facing arrow that is in amber. So I click on it. It will load my this thing for me. It's getting the data from that URL. Once it's 100%, then we can publish it. Great, it's 100%. Then I click on you can see this down arrow again with a bar underneath. That is a download icon. I click on it. You can see this app can cause harm, blah blah. I click OK. It's telling me it can cause harm because this app is just coming straight from a website, meaning it's not verified yet. Had it been, it was a verified app that has been published on Play Store, it won't be asking me that. So anytime you're downloading apps from directly on a website, if you remember, some of the APK files are assigned to you before you try to, when you try to install it, it was telling you that it's not from a verified source, blah blah, because it was not published from on Play Store and you didn't pick it from Play Store. So if you want this app, if you want to publish this app on Play Store right now, you can go ahead to do it. It's not free, but although there are various steps you'll be required to go through. By the time you're done with those steps, that's what will verify the authenticity of this app. And when anyone tries to download it, it won't be telling the person that it's not from a verified source and all that. So that's just for you to know. Okay, so the download is completed. I can now click on open to open it. And then it's asking me to install. I click install. Once it's done installing, next is to open it, and voila, you access your blog as a mobile app. So thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now. Okay, it's done already, so open. So this is my app. I can decide to read full post. You can see my post. This is what I have in my app here. It was done by Awinim. Hope I pronounced it correctly. So thank you so much once again for your time. Bye for now.